In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Pinterest Mobile. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone so you're ready to create. Have your digital product visuals saved to your device and the link to your product page handy. This could be an ebook, a printable, a template, a course, or any other digital file you deliver online. At the bottom of the app, tap the Create button. This is where you make the content that drives people to your offer. From the options that appear, choose Pin. When prompted, pick the image or video you want to showcase. Select something clear, vertical, and eye-catching. Pinterest favors visuals that stop the scroll. If you're using video, keep it short and immediately informative. Once you've selected your media, tap Next to move on. Add a title that clearly explains what the digital product is and why it's valuable. Keep it concise but keyword rich so Pinterest can understand and surface your content. Then write a thoughtful description, lead with the benefit, include important details about what buyers will get, and naturally weave in search terms your audience might use. A simple call to action like "get the template" or "download instantly" helps set expectations. Now add your link. This should point directly to the product or checkout page, not just a home page. Double check that it loads quickly and that the page matches the promise in your title and description. If you use tracking parameters, make sure they're clean and readable. Choose a board that aligns with your product's niche so Pinterest can properly categorize your pin. Next, tag relevant topics to help your pin reach the right audience. Think about themes your customers browse. If product tagging is available to you, tag the product so viewers can see price and details at a glance. Set a schedule if you want the pin to publish at a future time when your audience is most active. In advanced settings, add clear alt text describing the visual for accessibility and search context, and adjust any preferences that fit your brand. When everything looks good, tap Create to publish. Your pin is now live, giving people a direct path to discover and buy your digital product. Keep your visual consistent with your brand, make the value obvious in the first few seconds, and maintain a link that delivers exactly what you promised. Over time, this approach compounds on Pinterest, helping your product get found again and again.